So let's chat about the future, right? Let me land to you a question because you are one of the few ones that are making really in India outstanding facade business. I saw with different materials. So what's your vision? Because also in a country that typically climate is very, very challenging, and the facade can contribute also in circular economy, much more efficient systems, but at the same time, super elegant buildings. And it's very much important. How do you see in this contrast with the architects, how they take off not only the indoor, not only the interiors, the furniture, the kitchen, how they take the facade business?
See, facade is right now the most important part for a person who's selling product also, and for an architect also, because it is the representation of an architect's work. 1,000 people crossing a building is represented by the facade of the house. So it is like what I would say a mouth to mouth publicity or a free marketing.
It's the face of it.
The face of the building is,
Project.
so it is proportional to a infinite number of business that you can generate. So that is the most important criteria.
So you told me before that also your team is covering Delhi. Of course, is the super mega city, emerging, very vibrant. But you cover the north of India.
Yeah.
How you see the differences and around the country, around the design, the trend?
See, when you travel, say 50 kilometers from this metro cities, you'll find a different era of architects. And what I feel is my response is not only, it's not surprising, but in fact, it's very encouraging also because they are in awe of learning something more. For them, people like us are like facilitators or aggregators who can guide them or consult them in their surface requirements.
That's a great addition. And let me now in opportunity for them. First of all, they lost. Now you are a country that now when I got the privilege to meet some architects, everybody knows the big names now, right? But then you meet typically the partner, and with all my respect, then a lot of teenagers around that are now in the studio, and they like to keep learning.
Yes.
So this is the way. It's to do this education, because at the end of the day, us, we bring the tools, but they are the makers and shakers. We bring the ingredients. They are the chefs. Huh? So and this showroom also is a nice space to start imagining things.
Yeah.
So bringing the applications, design the spaces, not just talk about materials. So this is amazing. So what's your vision about the future use of slabs?
See, I think no surfaces, tiles have changed the perception that people used to have earlier. These are more engineered, more technically, I would say, a better product than the natural marbles that we have. What we feel is that the unexplored area right now is furniture.
Yeah.
Being when these surfaces will be placed on the furniture, and what I see as the vision of the company or my vision for surfaces is tiles being used without any fear on any kind of furniture. So I think we are just on stair number one or step number one for that. And it's a huge way to go.
Yeah.
So the way the companies, good companies like yours are experimenting with technology, technicalities, I think we are on the right track to explore all kind of surface probabilities on furniture. That is the next uh, target that all the ceramic industry is visioning at.
Definitely endless possibilities. Can tell you my experience. I got the privilege always to be working in materials. In materials engineering, for me it's a privilege. I'm passionate about. And then the large format, but you are right, bringing technology, new designs, new techniques on board is very rich. So becoming not just a functional topic, because originally it was just functional, very clean, very easy to maintain, and now it's beyond. At the minute that you fulfill the basics, then it's what's next, right? And it's all about design. And you are right. People is starting to design spaces. So when you can match furniture, coffee tables like this, dining tables together with an integrated kitchen in the living room,
Yes.
then the opportunities for interior designers, for architects, explode, go forward, right? Our metric in the wall is that this is just scratching the surface. It's last near 2% penetration. It's like the facade. It's just starting. So I fully agree. It's a very nice opportunity. And companies like you can start also creating even another level. It's a brand-to-brand discussion. Because in furniture, you have then brands that they make the furniture, so brings opportunities. It's like the kitchen
Yeah.
with the cabinet makers and so on. Amazing. That's great. That's great.